Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and in this video I have some more Happy Mail I am opening. This is actually a Happy Mail that has started over in the Decorate Your Life Facebook group from the Make-A-Wish Wednesdays. This is incoming from Rhonda, Junk Journal Diva, here on YouTube. Let's get into it. OMG, thank you so much, Rhonda. Oh my gosh, this is a whole lot of fabulousness for junk journaling and album making. I love mixed media. Thank you, Rhonda. Ooh, this is awesome. So Rhonda has sent me a whole lot of wonderful and amazing journaling goodies. This is so cool. I love this. I have recently used some of this in another project. Sandy had sent me some, or Jenny, I can't quite remember which one. What do we have here? Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. OMG. Thank you. Oh, these are wonderful. I cannot wait to use these tabs. Oh my gosh, journal tabs for all kinds of stuff. It's amazing to have these. Thank you so much. And then she sent me some of these fun tags. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are great. Perfect size for doing some stamping or maybe even some mixed media stenciling. A frame and a tag. I love craft paper, and a teeny little envelope style, like a pocket. I love it. And stickers. OMG. Oh, I love these colors too. They work with a lot of crafting I like to do. I always go for these types of colors. Those will work perfect. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh wow, I love this bag. Anaconda from Mind to Consumer. Oh wow, that is so cool. Thank you. And real quick, she has sent me a piece of this really beautiful, like, reminds me of like tin. Oh, and it's embossed with butterflies and flowers. And oh my goodness, I love this. This is some beginner's music sheets. Oh. And these are fantastic. It looks like she's printed up some ephemera. I love that. Let's turn this over here and see what we have. Oh my gosh, Rhonda, thank you so much. And she has sent me a bunch of cute little pockets. I love these. Oh, and some are gorgeous with the intricate trim on the top there. Oh wow, I love the size of these too, Rhonda. Thank you so much. And some beautiful antique or vintage sheets from a small, like a dictionary or from a Bible in German. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, these are wonderful. I'm going to say that it's like a dictionary, but it could be a Bible. I will definitely be investigating. Oh, these are wonderful. Oh my goodness, oh, they are straight from a book. Okay, so the more I touch them, the more acid from my fingers I will be transferring and they will start deteriorating. So let's not touch those too much. They are beautiful. Oh, and there is a note. Oh, thank you, Rhonda. Ah, I just am loving all of these. Thank you so much. Oh, yay. And an envelope and some trim that she added. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's an envelope. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. I love, love, love. And some die cuts. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are fantastic. Okay, so I see keys and a beautiful little heart punched piece there, and some thread and a needle, scissors. So these are like sewing ephemera, and oh my gosh, a dragonfly, a typewriter. Oh, and another anchor. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are amazing, and I love the colors. Oh, so many pretties. Oh, these are going to be amazing to work with. And like scrolls and a jar. Love the foliage. I mean, I love all of this, so thank you so much. And they can be layered up and to make embellishments. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Rhonda. And a spool even. Wow, love it. Okay, let me put these back real quick. Okay, and I love that you sent them in this envelope that I can do something with as well. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are amazing little tickets and tags, and can be used in different ways to make embellishments. Thank you. Ooh, she's even done some mixed media spraying with the ink. And some tab circles. I can never have enough of those for tags there. I love it. And a simple little circle can make a embellishment even that much more interesting and pop. Love these colors. Ah, I love the inking. Thank you. Coin envelopes are some of my favorite little things to make too. So, and she sent me some specimen dies, like, cards, slides. Oh wow! Oh, yay! Oh, fun! I love, love, love. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh! And the flowers, so I can make some fun, like specimen slides of the flowers, and I will even use these. Oh, and you sent me extras. Oh wow! Thank you, Rhonda. You guys need to come over and check out Make-A-Wish Wednesdays. Oh, these are, I love the craft paper too. I don't have a lot of like craft colored paper. I have colors, but not craft color. Isn't that weird? I use like cereal boxes and stuff like that, and they're craft colored. So, and here's the flowers. Oh my gosh, Rhonda, thank you so much for sharing all of these crafty goodies with me and sending me this beautiful happy mail. I can't tell you how much this means to me. I love, love, love everything, and I will definitely be using these. I have some amazing crafty friends here on YouTube and in Facebook, and thank you for being one of them, Rhonda. Oh my gosh, I totally didn't get this part of the video. Okay, so inside this bag here is more beautiful ephemera and trims. She has gifted me some of this amazing printed burlap. Absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. Here is it looks like a snowflake, but it could even be used for fall. It looks like it could have been from a pine cone or something. And here is some beautiful embossed and inked paper. It feels like even, it's super heavy cardstock. And we have these beautiful background pages for cards and journals, mini albums. They feel like rice paper. It's a specialty paper. These are so beautiful. These would be perfect even for fairy, even some mermaid crafting. I totally can get that vibe too. Oh my gosh. So quite a few pages of that. Oh, look, even like from a measuring tape and like a serial number. Oh, thank you so much, Rhonda. Oh, how fun. Did you print these yourself, or are they from like a journaling kit? Oh, I love the maps and explorer vibes from that. Oh, Spanish, like one of the what is it, the Santa Maria and the Pina. Oh my gosh, my history has just gone down the toilet. There is a hot air balloon, so you could even do like Wizard of Oz with that. Oh, oh my gosh, I love these colors. Look at that. Definitely an explorer, a traveler's journal. Oh, and they're vintage, and oh wow, even from like Leonardo da Vinci. How neat. One of his inventions. And here's some more envelopes. Oh, these are great. Oh, thank you, thank you. Ooh, and some beautiful tissue paper. Oh, fun. Oh my gosh, Rhonda. And then in this Ziploc here, and this is finally here, I think I've gotten everything. Oh, hold on. Okay, and then inside the Ziploc bag is some more ephemera. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a pen with the ink pot. Oh, wow. I love that. Parfum de Parfumery. Oh, so pretty. More like some music paper and a tag. And she did some die cutting with some very pretty paper. This could even be Decorate Your Life right there. Oh, I love that with the anchor and the clock. Oh, some CD envelopes. Oh, fun. Oh, these are going to be fun. And some images to fussy cut. Oh, wow. Oh, and here's the... Oh, how fun. Oh, that almost feels like it's double thick. You know, like there's a second page there. Oh, look at the ravens. Oh, wow. This might be like Dutch. Oh! Well, this gives me Egyptian vibes for like sign language. Oh, and some beautiful shabby envelopes. I love the vibe with the shredded paper. Oh, look. Oh, okay. Oh, fantastic. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Rhonda. Wow. And some smaller pink envelopes. Oh my gosh, these are so handy to have. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Miss Rhonda. You have made my crafty day, friend. I am so excited to have all of these goodies. And again, this is Treasures of a Crafty Mind YouTube channel. My name is Denise, and these are my new crafty treasures from my crafty friend Rhonda, Journal Diva, here on YouTube. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye for now.